40th question, the first resistor's value is 5 ohm or 6 ohm?
40.
Yes, ma'am.
5 ohm.
Ma'am, and what's the answer in the 35th and 40th question?
35th. What's the answer everyone got?
Ma'am, 35th one.
B is 2.7.
Ma'am, 35th B1 is 53.33 ampere and A is 27 by 20. 120 by 27.
Ma'am, I got A as 4.44 ohm and B is 2.7 ohm. Sorry, ampere.
Ma'am, A is 18, right?
Yes, right. Your answer is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Total resistance is 18 ohms.
We have to take it separately because.
Yeah, because both of them are separately connected.
Okay, ma'am. So first two are
R1
separate.
and R2 are in parallel combination. R3, R4, R5 are in parallel combination separately. And the total of them are in series.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
This was the diagram. They have told, can you tell the values? R1, R2, R3?
R1 is 10, R2 is 40, R3 is 30, R4 is 20, and R5 is 60.
So these two are connected here at this point. Which two resistors are connected? Only R1 and R2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So R1 and R2 are in parallel. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. So total resistance, suppose it is 1 by R dash, that is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. LCM is 40, 4 plus 1, 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8 ohms. Sorry, no, 1 by 8 is 1 by R dash, so R dash is equal to 8 ohms. And now these three, R3, R4, R5 are in parallel separately. R3, R4, R5 are in parallel. So total resistance R double dash, that is equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. LCM 60, 3 2s are, 2 3s are, this one's are. So 6 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 10 is 1 by R double dash. So R double dash is equal to 10 ohm. Now where instead of these two, we have to write only one resistance, that is of 8 ohm. And instead of these three, we have to write only one resistor of 10 ohms. So the circuit will become, here only one resistor will come, and here also only one resistor will come. And here is ammeter. This is 8 ohm R dash, and this is R double dash, which is of 10 ohm. So how are these connected?
In series.
R1 and R2 are connected in
Yes.
series. They are in one line. There is only one path. The current is flowing. So R dash and R double dash are in series. So total resistance R is equal to R dash plus R double dash. That is equal to 8 plus 10, that is 18 ohms. Clear? Everyone clear how to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but could you please scroll up a bit?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Can you do the 44th second part?
44 second, okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, on the 35th. Okay, it's okay.
Second part is potential difference is given. So V by R, total resistance.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be the current value. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now here in this case, first see the positions. So these two resistors, this 6 ohm and this 6 ohm are connected between these 2 points. So here these two are connected in. Suppose this is R1, this is R2, R3, and this is R4. So R1 and R2, how are they connected?
Parallel.
Are in parallel combination. So total resistance R dash is total. So 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So R dash is equal to 3 ohms. Similarly, R3 and R4 are in also.
Parallel.
R3 and R4 are also in parallel. So similarly, you will get the R double dash total, again 3 ohm. Now, how are these three R dash and R double dash connected? In place of these two, one resistance of 3 ohm, and in place of these two, one resistance of 3 ohm will come. So in between these 2 points. So here from A, you will get only one resistor of 3 ohm, and out of these two, only one resistor that is of 3 ohm. This is R dash and this is R double dash. Clear? You have to check their starting point and end point where they are connected. So they are connected between this point and this point. So in between these 2 points, only one resistor will come, that is R dash. And in between this point and this point, only one resistor will come, that is a total of these two, that is also 3 ohm. Now R dash and R double dash are connected in. How are they connected?
Series.
R dash and R double dash are in series. So total resistance?
R1 plus R2. R dash plus R double dash.
R dash plus R double dash, that is 3 plus 3, 6 ohms again. So 4, 6 resistors, 6 ohm resistors are connected, but they are connected such that they are providing total resistance of 6 ohm again.
Battery is connected.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the first part, it's series combination, right? 44th first one.
This is 6 and 6. These are in series. Total is
Yes, ma'am.
so that 12 ohm and this 6 ohm are in parallel.
Okay, ma'am. So you have to use like, okay, yes, ma'am.
1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. Students who are still in a relaxed mood, please remember that this chapter is toughest chapter of class 10th. So please pay attention and do all your work in time. Not understanding, immediately clear those. In physics, this is the toughest one. Still, some of the students are in relaxed mood. Any other doubt anyone has?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So you have completed 30,
No, ma'am.
35, completed
Yes, ma'am.
46th one. 46.
Yes, ma'am.
When two resistors of resistances R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, the net resistance is 3 ohm. And when these are connected in series, its value is 16 ohm. Calculate the value of R1 and R2. So here first use the formula. R1 and R2 are two resistors. When they are in parallel combination, their total resistance is 3 ohm. And when the two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in series, their total resistance is 16 ohm. So here formula is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Total resistance is 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to, take the sum, R2 plus R1 by R1 R2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And now for this case, it is series combination. So R1 plus R2 is total resistance, which is 16. So this is our second equation. So we have to solve these two equations. So now here R2 plus R1. R1 plus R2 we got 16. Substitute in this equation. 1 by 3 is equal to 16 by R1 R2. So R1 R2 is equal to 48. Right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now R2 is equal to 16 minus R1. Substitute this value in this equation. Value of R2 we have to substitute. R1 in bracket 16 minus R1 is equal to 48. Now simplify this equation. 16 R1 minus R1 square is equal to 48. We got the quadratic equation. So we have to solve quadratic equation. 0 is equal to R1 square minus 16 R1 plus 48 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this quadratic equation. 48, 12 4s are 48. R1 square minus 12 R1 minus 4 R1 plus 48. So R1 in bracket R1 minus 12 minus 4 in bracket R1 minus 12. R1 minus 12 into R1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll get R1 is equal to either 12 or R1 is 4. So 12 or 4 is R1. Then R2, you have to calculate 16 minus R1. So R2 will be either 16 minus 12 or 16 minus 4. So that is 4 ohm or 12 ohm. So if R1 is 12, then R2 is 4. If R1 is 4, then R2 will be 12. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Mom? Ma'am, in the questions it's given that the net resistance is 3 ohms. So the net resistance of both the resistors is 3 ohms. So we should add both of the resistance, right?
Net resistance means total resistance when the two resistors are connected in parallel.
Okay, ma'am.
Therefore, we need to use the formula.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear you for some time. So what are we doing after this question?
No, right now students are writing,
Okay, ma'am.
waiting to complete.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
37th one, finding the total resistance. A and B are the points. We have to find the total resistance between A, B. So, everyone listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So that means here current is moving between A and B. That means in between A and B, if we connect battery, then we have to find the total resistance of this combination. For this, the current suppose moving through A. What happens at this position?
It gets divided.
It gets divided into one in this part and one in this path. Suppose I1 moving upward and I2 is moving downwards. So now current I1 is flowing through 4 ohm. And then at this point, there is only one path to flow through this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the I1 is the current flowing through this 4 ohm and this 8 ohm resistor. Same current is flowing. So if same current is flowing, that means the path of the current is same through these two resistors. So these two resistors are connected in
Series.
Yes.
series. So this is R1 and this is R2 we will consider. Now I2 is moving through 4 ohm. Suppose this is R3 and this is R4. Now the same I2, when it reaches at this position, there is only one path to follow this. So I2 is the same current flowing through this R3 as well as R4. And then both the currents will enter at this position, combine and flow towards B. So this means what you understood? R1 and R2 are in,
Series.
Series.
R3 and R4 are in
Series.
series, and the total of these two and these two will be in
Parallel.
parallel. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
R1 and R2 are connected in series. So total is, suppose R dash. So R dash is equal to R1 plus R2, which is 4 plus 8, 12 ohm. Similarly, R3 and R4 are connected in series. and R double dash is total. So R double dash is equal to R3 plus R4. 4 plus 8, that is 12 ohm. Now new socket you will get like this. This is point A, point B. Here one resistor you will get it like this, which is 12 ohm, and another are getting like this. This is also 12 ohm. So current moving through this and this, it is get divided. If the current is divided, that means two resistors are in parallel. So R dash and R double dash are connected in parallel.
Ma'am, how will we know how to draw circuits like this?
Anyway, you can draw. I have drawn because the same circuit I have made it. So however it looks like I have made. You can make it normal also, like this.
Okay, ma'am.
You can make this way also.
Okay, just that they should be in parallel circuit.
Yeah, they are in parallel. So 1
Okay.
R is equal to 1 by R dash plus 1 by R double dash. So both are 12. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, that is equal to 2 by 12, which is 1 by 6. So R is equal to 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the 38th one, the A part we have to calculate that first, the R2 and R3.
Ma'am, can you scroll up once again?
Completed 37th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 38th question. C, try analyzing. What is the potential difference across AB and AC total? What is the current through each resistor? And the third part is what is total resistance? So finding potential difference. V1, this is which type of a
I by R or rho L by A.
rho L by A
Parallel combination.
is the resistance. So rho L by A, now resistivity part will not come here.
Okay, ma'am. So V by I by R itself. No, wait. V is equal to I by R.
AB, that means across this potential difference we have to calculate. And the total we have to calculate. So now if I will make this circuit simple, this is one R1, which is 5 ohm resistor, right? This is A point, this is B point. In between this point, BC, there are two resistors which are connected in
Parallel.
Parallel.
parallel. So total resistance will come between B and C.
1 by R2 plus 1 by
25 ohm.
R3.
So RP is equal to R2 and R3 are connected in series.
Ma'am, 6 ohm. RP 6.
So it is 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. 3 plus 2. 5 by 30, that means 1 by 6. So RP is equal to 6 ohms. So here this will come 6 ohm. Now how are they connected, these two resistors?
Series.
Series.
So potential difference across each will be, this is, we will consider V1
Yes, ma'am.
and it is V2. So they are different. And the
Yes,
total
ma'am.
potential difference is sum of these two between A and
V1 plus V2.
V1 plus V2 will come.
V2.
We have to calculate V1. What is the current flowing?
I by R1, 1 ampere.
Yeah.
Current is
By
flowing.
I by R.
5, 1 by 7.
1 by 5 ohms.
I into R1. So this is equal to 5 volt. V2 is equal to I into R2. Sorry, RP here. That is equal to 1 into 6. That is 6 volt. And therefore total V is equal to
11 volt.
V1 plus V2. That is 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11 volt. Right? So V1 is across AB. So what they have asked, potential difference across AB, that is V1, which is equal to 5 volt. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And across AC means front to love, the total potential difference. VAC means is a total potential difference that is equal to 11 volt. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
PD across AB, that is equal to V1, which is 5 volt. And potential difference across AC, that is total, that is 11 volt. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now across RP, now second question is what is the current through each resistor? So current through R1 is,
V by R.
current through R1,
Ma'am, 5 by R1.
why?
Ma'am, 1 ampere.
They have already given current is flowing 1 ampere.
Okay, ma'am.
So current through R1 is 1 ampere. Now across R2 and R3 we have to calculate, right? So what is the this one, potential difference across R2 and R3? Potential difference across R2 and R3 will be, that means the potential difference point B and C. How much?
6 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
6 volt.
6 volts. So potential difference across R2 and R3 is 6 volts.
Yes.
And the
Yes,
resistance you have, can you calculate I2 and I3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to calculate?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
formula.
I2 is equal to
I2 is equal to V1 by R1. V2 by R2.
V2 by R2 and I3 is equal to
V3 by R3.
by
V3. Is there anything V3?
V
no, ma'am.
So what is the potential difference across R3? Potential difference across R3 will be
Ma'am, 6 ohm.
6 volts. That is V2. So V2 by R3 only. Right?
Ma'am, I'm getting confused.
Why?
Ma'am, in the B part, I do not understand that easily.
Here is the current flowing I2 and I3. This is point B and this is point C. What is the potential difference across B and C?
6 volt.
That is V2, which is 6 volt. Now R2 is 10 ohm and R3 is 15 ohm. So can you calculate I2 and I3 if you know potential difference?
Yes, ma'am.
I2 is equal to
V2 by R2.
V2 by R2. V is 6 by 10. That is equal to 0.6 amperes. And I3 is equal to potential I3. For that, we need a potential difference across R3. That is again V2. And the resistance is R3, which is 6 by 15. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had got disconnected from where you got V2 is 6. Can you explain from there?
Already we have calculated here V2 6 volts. In this graph, we have already calculated V2 value is 6 volts.
After that,
Find the current across I2, I3, I2 value and I3 value you have to calculate. For calculating currents, you need the potential difference across R2 and R3, which is 6 volts. We already calculated. And you can find the total resistance now.
Yes, ma'am. R1 plus RP. That is 5 ohm plus 6 ohm.
Yes, right. 5 ohm plus 6 ohm, totally is 11 ohms.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
done.
39th, have you solved? No, no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, here two resistors will be in parallel and one resistor will be in series.
Now for such questions, remember, when three resistors are connected, there is only four types of combinations. How to connect those three resistors. One is series. Altogether, we can connect them in series. This is a first possibility. Second one, they are connected in parallel. This is second possibility. Third possibility is one is in series and the remaining two are in parallel. And the last one is two in series and they are connected parallelly. Third one. So these are the four possible ways three resistors can be connected. Very important part, because there are many questions that is a given three resistors connect such a way that this is the total resistance you should get. So for that, remember only these are four possibilities. Clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any other way not possible. Now remember one thing, that is a total resistance in series combination is always greater than the greatest value. Okay. And in the parallel combination, total resistance is always lesser than the least value. So that means in series combination, what is the total resistance you will get?
10.
6 plus 2,
Sorry, 11, ma'am.
11 ohms. But what they have asked,
11.
total resistance should be greater than 6, but it should not be greater than 8. It should be less than 8. So series won't work, gone, that possibility. Parallel combination, total resistance will be lesser than the least one. So what is the least value here?
2 ohms.
2. So total resistance you will get lesser than 2. So that also gone condition. Now check for this and this possibility. Now here, suppose we connect. Now we need greater than 6. That means 6 should be in series with something. Then only you'll get the value greater than 6. So
Yes,
6.
ma'am.
Suppose we will connect 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 total resistance, try. And try this one also. Now here, if I will connect 6 and 3 and 2 like this, so what is the total resistance you will get it?
Ma'am, for the upper series 6 and 3, it would be 9. And then if we go parallelly,
So here, anyhow, this part and this part is connected in parallel. So what is the least value? 2. So
2.
total resistance will come less than 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Possible. If I will take it 2 here and 6 here, then total resistance will be
More than.
Lesser than 6.
Lesser than 2.
lesser than 6, but we need more than 6. So this possibility also won't work. So left out this possibility only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is the answer 7.2 ohm?
Right. So you have to find out, draw the diagram and you have to find the total resistance.
Ma'am, is the answer 7.2 ohm?
Yes, right. Everyone completed earlier part?
Yes, ma'am.
Atish, able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You people keep giving response, otherwise I will not understand.
Yes, ma'am.
2 students left. Who was left now?
Ma'am, what's the answer?
7.2.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 40th question, second part.
CD till CD you have calculated.
Yes, ma'am. Both of them sides are going 25.
In this question, you have to calculate total resistance across CD first and then AB. So till CD, that means the circuit will be this much only.
I'm talking about the 40th question, ma'am.
This was the question though.
Ma'am, 40th question, second part.
31st, this was solving. 40th, I'm not told. Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, 40th was homework.
Was homework, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the total resistance you got? Parth?
Still finding out. Yeah.
So 12.5 is the total resistance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then total current 24 divided by 12.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Twelve point five and 1.92.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, in this one across CD. So this is point C and this is point D. All resistors are of 3 ohm. So now across CD means what? Across CD means you have to consider the current is entering from one point and leaving through another point. Current is entering through C like this way and leaving the circuit through D. Now check the path of current. Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So current is entering through C. So when it comes to this position, what happens? Current is divided. So I1 is flowing this way and I2 suppose through this path. Now I1 will move through this 3 ohm. Suppose this is R1, R1, R2, R3, R4. So I1 is moving through R1. After that, where it goes?
It goes to R1, then R2, and then R3.
Then R3 and then leave here, right? So the same current is flowing through R1, R2 and R3. So R1, R2, R3 are in
Series.
series. R1, R2, R3 are in series. So let total resistances R dash be the total. So R dash is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 ohm, right? And then I2 is only 3 ohm and then from here it is leaving. So total resistance of these three and R4 are connected in
Parallelly.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
what's you didn't understand in this?
Ma'am, how is it connected in series?
What I told, to find out how to find out the series and parallel combination?
The path in which the current flows. If it's same, then it's series.
So check the path of the current.
Ma'am, but when it's reaching R1 and going to R2, it's again getting divided, right?
Where which path it is divided?
Ma'am, from C it goes, and then from R1 and R2 between that it gets divided, right?
Where it is? Is there any other path for the current to flow, or only this path is there? No. At this point, which is the second path?
R2.
That is only R2, or is there any other path?
No, ma'am.
That means
Series.
so at this position when the current comes, then after that, is there any two paths?
No.
No. So R1, R2, R3. The current flows through all three is same. So they are in series.
Series. Yes, ma'am.
So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R dash plus 1 by R4. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So total is 9. 1 plus 3. 4 by 9 is 1 by R. So R is equal to 9 by 4. 2 is 8. 2 is 8.5. 2.25. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the resistance across CD, right? You turn on your camera. Let me see you people. You are able to understand or not? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Then now they are asking the second question as across AB. In this circuit, now you got the total of these four resistors. You got the total of these four resistors. What is it? 2.25, right? Now, so that 2.25 will come between C and D point.
Yes, ma'am.
So in between C and D, one resistor of total value of 2.25 will come.
Yes, ma'am.
And here, this is point A. Here, this resistor is 3 ohm. And this resistance of 3 ohm again. Now, how are these three connected? This is
Series.
Parallel. Series.
R5 and R6. R5, R and R6. How are they connected? Across AB, that means current entering through A and leaving through B.
Series.
Series.
So it is same current flows through all three. So these three are in series. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write down. Solve. Mohit, Jay, are you able to understand?
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit, are you able to understand? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Able to understand?
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Ma'am, if resistors are in series, then we directly just add them, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Only in parallel we are supposed to use the reciprocal method.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay?
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay,
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I heard that.
are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Every class you are not attending properly.
No, ma'am. My data is a bit bad right now.
But they keep on asking you, you were not there. Done? This question 41st completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
42nd, have you solved? Have given any homework? No. 43rd, I think so. I've given.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6-volt battery. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6-volt battery as shown. Calculate the total resistance, total current, and potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. Can you solve this?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the answer.
Ma'am, total resistance is 24 ohm.
Yes, right?
Ma'am, total current is 0.25 ampere
Yes, right.
and potential difference across the resistor is 1 volt and the potential difference across the lamp is 5 volts.
Right.
Ma'am, in the question, it is given that a conductor of 4 ohm. That means that the conductor is having the resistance of 4 ohm. Okay, ma'am.
43rd and 44 you have solved, right?
Yes, ma'am.
45.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Try. I told you 3 resistors how to connect. 4 ways to connect 3 resistors. So check, in which case you will get the total resistance of 3 ohm.
Got it, ma'am.
Continue solving then. Siddharth, are you solving?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the answer?
Ma'am, I'm on the 42nd one.
Ma'am, 45th one, it's parallel, right?
No.
Ma'am, it's the third one, right? Like one is in series and the other two in parallel.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, can you solve it?
Check out for all the 4 cases I've told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, check one by one. Got the 45th one?
Yes.
Aishwarya, got the 5th
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Aishwarya, have you got? Aishwarya, are you there? Aishwarya, are you there?
I did not get it.
What happened?
I did not understand. I tried with series, I did not get. I tried with
There
parallel.
are 4 cases, so try with all 4.
Ma'am, in the 45th question, I tried the fourth option, fourth arrangement, and I got it as 3 by 4, like RP equals to 4 by 3 then.
No, that won't work. They are exactly 3 ohm you need to get.
In which one? 46th?
45th.
46.
46 also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Yes, ma'am. 46 done. Just writing how to find the resistance.
Okay. So continue further till 65 we have to complete. Namita, you got 45th? Namita, did you get? Namita, are you there? Lavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how to do? 45th one, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how to connect them?
I got it.
One will be in series and two will be in parallel.
One between series and parallel with the remaining 2. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 2 ohm. So these 2 parallel will get 1 ohm. So this is 2 and this is 1. So total is 3 ohms. Next 46th one.
1 by 5. Sorry, 1.5.
Ma'am, total resistance is 1.5 ohms.
Combination consists of 3 resistors in series.
Yes, ma'am.
3 resistor in series. And 4 such sets are in parallel. 1, 2. These are connected in parallel. So find the total resistance if each resistance is of 2 ohms. You can find?
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 6 into 4.
Yes, right. 47th you can do. This is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
Vaibhavi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Able to solve?
Yes, ma'am. I kind of didn't understand 45th and 46th, but I think I can do it.
45th is you have to find out whichever the combination will work. I already given you 4 conditions, 4 possibilities. Out of that, substitute the values and check whose resistance you will get it. 3 ohms. Total resistance you should get 3.
Yes, ma'am.
46 is 1.5, right?
1.5, right? So this one part is 6 ohms. Like that, 4 6 ohm resistors are in parallel. 6 by 4. Total resistance 3 by 2, 1.5. 47th, a circuit consists of 1 ohm wire in series with parallel arrangement of 3 and 6 and 3 ohms. 1 ohm wire is connected in parallel with 6 ohms and 3 ohms. So find the total resistance.
Ma'am, in the 48th question, the current enters from point A and goes out from point B, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
Forty-seventh, everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
48th, first part. Calculate total resistance between points A and B.
Parallel.
So it is resistance between point A and B. That means current is entering through A and leaving the circuit through B. This means
Only 1 and 2 resistor.
like this it is. So when the current reaches at this position, what happens? Yeah, Vaibhavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Current is entering through point A. So at point A, what happens?
Can I try?
Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you try?
Um,
No.
Can I try?
Yes.
Ma'am, for the 1 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel, and 1.5 ohm is in no no 1 ohm and 2 ohm are in series, and 1.5 ohm is in parallel. Is it correct?
Right, Aditya.
Okay.
Current is entering till A. After A, what happens? Vaibhavi, what's the problem?
Ma'am, I'm getting confused.
What is that confusion? You won't clear, then how I will get to know? Keeping mum, you will clear all your confusions? Possible to clear?
No, ma'am, but I'm confused after 45.
So here, that's what I'm
Go through the video once.
Consider as a pipeline. Current is entering through this point. What happens? In both this path, current remains same or get divided?
It gets divided.
It gets divided, that means these two paths are in parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
Because current is different, I1 and I2 separately. Now I1 moves through this 1 ohm. At this point, when it reaches, what happens?
The resistor is present.
Now after that, from where the path of the track the path of current. So this is I1 moves through this way, then in the same path it will move through this. Same I1 will move through this.
Yes, ma'am.
Same number of electrons are passing through this 1 ohm and 2 ohm.
Yes, ma'am.
Current remains same across each resistor. What I told, how are they connected?
Series.
So this 1 ohm and 2 ohm are in series because current through them is same. Right? Now the total
Yes, ma'am.
resistance will come between this path. That is 3 ohm. And this is the second path. So those two are, now it is two paths are in parallel because current gets divided.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 and 1.5 are in
Parallel.
parallel combination. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
R1, R2 are in series. So total R dash is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3 ohms. And R dash and R3 are in parallel. So find total resistance. If your people won't speak, I will not understand. You are not turning on camera. You are not speaking. So do you think I'm Antaryami? That is, I will get to know whether you understood or not. How will you explain? That is, you didn't understand. If you are not showing me your faces, you are not telling also.
Ma'am, could you just explain the 46th one?
46 already I have drawn the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to find the total resistance?
Ma'am, like I'm not understanding, like out of the four possibilities, like which should we use? Like,
All the paths you have to calculate total resistance. So what is the problem in this? Tell me.
So they're like 2 ohm resistance, but they're like 4 sets.
One set has 3 resistors in series.
One series we are supposed to add them, and then again we have to do the reciprocal for the next parallel one.
Total parallel combination formula you have to use.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understanding.
Now try the second part. Again across point A and B. So A is here, B is here. Current enters through A, like this way, and leaves the circuit through B. So check current gets divided or current remains same. Only trace the path of current. If current remains same across the resistors, then those resistors are in series. If the current gets divided, then all those paths are in parallel. That is a simple trick you need to learn. Yes, Ritvik, can you try now?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Ma'am, I'm getting RP as 15/8 for the second one.
Ma'am, the second one, it gets divided, right?
Yes, in which parts? Suppose I will make this R1. This is R2. This is R3. This one is R4 and this one is R5. Now tell where the current reaches here. Consider the pipeline, water comes here. So water enters from A. What happens?
Ma'am, then it will get divided between R1 and R2.
So now that means these 3 paths are in. What in these 3 paths, whatever the resistors are present, those resistors will be in
Parallel.
parallel, right? Now here this is I1 current flows. This one will flow I2 and this path I3. So now I1 is flowing from A to C. Then after that, it will move like this. After that, A to C. Further,
Ma'am, C to B.
C to B. Same or different? This current will remain same or will change? Amount of water which is flowing through A to C.
Ma'am, it will be same.
Water will remain same from C to B or will change?
Ma'am, it will remain same.
Will remain same. So that means here R1 and R2 are in
Series.
R1 and R2 are connected in
Series connection.
series connection. I2 has only R3 in its path, so only one resistor. Now what are the current I3 is flowing? Water I3 is flowing through R4 and through R5 will remain same or will change?
Same.
While moving, the water which is moving through R4, will the same will flow through R5 or will it change?
Ma'am, it will be same.
It will be same. So R4 and R5 are
Series.
series. So total of this one.
5 ohm.
So R1 and R2, they are in series. So 3 plus 2, 5 ohms. Then R3 remains same. Then R4 and R5 are in series. So you will get it again 3 plus 2, that is 5 ohm. So at this position, this is position A and this is position B. So in this path, one resistor will come, that is of 5 ohm. Between A and B, which resistance is this? Which one is this resistance?
R3.
R3.
R3, which is 1 ohm. And again, ADB path, in that total resistance will be
5
5.
5 ohm. So these three are now connected in
parallel.
parallel. So total resistance is 1 by R. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. Find the total resistance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish?
Yes, ma'am.
So consider current as a water and check the path of water. If water remains same across two resistors, then they are series. If the water divides, water pipeline changes, then they are in parallel combination. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ambika, Deepika, are you also facing problem or okay?
Ma'am, I'm clear with it.
Mom, I'm okay.
Punya, are you clear with this concept? How to find a total resistance?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Now this you can solve. Two resistors 4 and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. The combination is connected across a 6-volt battery of negligible resistance. Calculate current through the battery, that means total current, and current through each resistor.
Ma'am, what is the answer for the previous one?
Previous one was 0.71.
Ma'am, I got 1.4.
So it is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 1. That is 7 by 5 is 1 by R.
Okay, right. Sorry.
5 by 7. Parth, Soumya, are you clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
For the answer, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
6 and 4 are in parallel. So total resistance needed?
1 by 4
2
plus 1 by
point
6.
I don't think so. It is needed. Yeah, fine. If you have calculated, then it's okay, no problem. So total current
2.5 amperes.
2.5 and current through each you got it. Everyone got it. I1 is equal
Yes,
to V by
Yes,
R1
ma'am.
and I2 is equal to V by R2 and I1 plus I2 is I. Okay. So write down the question you have to solve as homework. 50, 51, 54, 57, 58, 61 and 62. 7 questions only you have to complete.
And can you repeat?
I've written.
Okay.
Ma'am, for
Yes, these are the homework questions. Again, few more questions I will give you to solve. I will send you in WhatsApp to find the total resistance. Okay. It is
okay,
not
ma'am.
there in your book. That book it is not there. So few questions I will give you to find total resistance values. So still any
Ma'am,
confusion, it will be clear.
Ma'am, for Wednesday's test, till which question will it come?
Till resistivity only.
Okay, till 33.
Ma'am, you said till 33.
Yeah, till 33. So only till
Okay, ma'am.
resistivity questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
These questions.